Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete YouTube app search history. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, write your comments at the end of the video, and also be sure to put your likes. And let us get down to the topic. Please open the YouTube app on your device. And then you'll need to go to your page in the bottom right corner. And then in the top right corner, click on the gear to go to Settings. Here, select the Whole Story Management section. And once your whole story has loaded, you can scroll through it and see your entire browsing history. And you can, for example, delete any one video. To do that, you'll need to click on the cross at the top of the video. And as you can see, it will instantly be deleted with your YouTube search history. Next, you can delete the entire history, for example, for a particular day. For example, for today, for yesterday, or for a day that was a week ago. And also, you can delete the history absolutely for the whole time. To do this, you will need to click on the word Delete. And here select Delete for all time. In this way, completely all your search history will be deleted. Friends, this is the very simple way you can delete the search history in YouTube app. I really hope this video was useful for you and helped you. Please put your likes, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.